Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Roblox Don't Press the Button. Now, as you know, everybody is gonna press the button. Something very random happens. It can be something very good or very bad. Good or bad. So let's see what's happening. Oh my gosh. What is this? What? Is this bubble wrap? Yo, it's bubble wrap. Yay! Look guys, it's bubble wrap. I love this. What a great way to start the video. Bubble wrap. There are also coins laying around on diamonds and stuff. You can get them and get money. And you can also buy them in the shop. I'm gonna press the button first. Oh wait. We have to get on the corners. Which one? I'm gonna go with red. I don't know. Wait, no. Oh my gosh. Oh, it was green. Or was that green? Yes, it was. Mom. No, don't get the diamonds. No. I don't know. I have to go on this one. Oh, it's gonna be this one. Oh my gosh, it was yellow. It's just going to be it next. Oh, please don't get the diamonds. Okay, I have to choose. I'm gonna choose red. Was it lagging? No, what? It was lagging. No, no, that's not fair. It was lagging, and it was the last one. Are you kidding me? What is this? Trick or treating? It's not Halloween, but okay. Why am I wearing that ugly cap? Should we knock on this door? The worst thing. No! Please don't knock. Trick or treat. Huh? A ghost answered. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what is this? How dare you, ghost? What? Ah! Oh my gosh. The ghost is evil. The ghost is very evil. Oh, we won. And I got 10 coins. Nice. I'm pressing the button finally. I pressed it. Wait, what? Not pressing it. I pressed it. Oh yeah, bubble wrap again. We got bubble wrap again. Should I go for it? I went for it. I don't care. I don't care. At least I got the coin. At least I got the coin. Oh yeah, I spawned back. Oh, a diamond. Great. Bubble wrap is fun. Yay, satisfying. I don't know, creator. Oh, the bubble wrap time is over. Let me get to that. Tsunami? Ah, tsunami's coming. Where'd I go? Huh? What? What is this? This is pretty scary. What am I supposed to do? We're dead. I'm dead. Oh, you were supposed to. Are you kidding me? How was I supposed to know what to do? Wait, everybody else died. So I guess it wasn't just me who died. Dodge. What? Ah! Oh my gosh. Dodge the lasers. Okay, that was easy. Why did so many people die? That was pretty easy. I got it. Okay, press the button, please. Let me get that diamond. You kidding me? Oh wait. Pink pizza. What did I get the pink one? At least that was easy. Come on. I got it. Yay! I got it pretty fast. Oh, diamond! Come on, get to it. Yay! Another diamond. 2 diamonds in a row. Yeah, let's get that coin. Oh, come on. Oh, another diamond. What? Oh, over there. Get that coin. Time for some trivia question. In what year was Don't Press the Button created? How do I know? I'm gonna guess 2018. What? I was wrong. Someone has a bomb? That's scary. Just press the button. Ah! A bomb! Ah! A bomb! Run! Get it out of the map. Get it out of the giant block. Full. Yes. Let's go. We saved the day, guys. We saved the day. Again? Bubble wrap? Okay, I love bubble wrap, but I'm pretty sure that is enough. This is enough. I do not need any more bubble wrap, okay? I had enough of bubble wrap. Again, it was worth it. I have gotten bubble wrap 3 times. It's getting boring. I'm getting for it again. Come on. Oh, I got it. I thought I missed it for a second. I'm bald. Okay, I'm out. What is that? Again? With this pizza thing, and I get the pink pizza again. Thank you, game. No, let me get that. Yes, thank you. We don't press the button, but everybody knows we got to press the button. Wait, is there a bomb? No, there's someone does has a bomb. Ow. A second. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna run. Speed run. Oh, a parkour. Let's do this. I hope I finish. Come on, a race. Who will win, guys? Me or this thing or this person that I cannot spell their name right now because I'm busy. Oh wait, I'm gonna win. Yes. Yes, I won. Come on. I won. Let's go. It's over there. I'm gonna beat it 2 times. Guys, I'm gonna beat this 2 times or even maybe 3 times in a row. Fast, fast, fast. This looks like a version of Green Hells, and I'm Sonic because I am blue. It's just a race though. Wow, this guy's is pretty slow. I beat it 2 times. No, I do not think I can beat it a 3rd time, but I take that. I'm getting all the diamonds and stuff. Okay. Let's press the next button. Oh, come on, I'm slow again. I deserve to be fast. Hot potato? Ah! That girl has the hot potato. Oh my gosh. It's passing it on. Ah! Oh my gosh, no! What? Get it! Yes! Oh, that was close. That was really close. That was close and scary at the same time. Bucky Walls. This is kind of awkward. Are we gonna die? Are we gonna die? No, no, no. Wait, oh. You can just go through the wall, I guess. No. I'm gonna press this button. What is in this button? What? We're gonna catch thing in the basket? Oh! A rubber duck! We're catching rubber duckies! I'm so bad! Yes, yes. Yes, I got one. I got another one. Another one. What? Okay, how did I not get that one? What? You can just jump? No! Come on. I need to get that rubber ducky. Did I win? I won! I won with only 1 point. Ah! Ah! No! No! I already died! There was a tornado! And I already died! Ouch! Oh! Oh, run! Guys! Ah! Get this. Ah! No! Try to get that diamond! I should not be greedy. I should not be greedy. I should stop being greedy right now. I'm not going near that button. It's dangerous. The button is dangerous. I will not press it. Again, trivia questions. What's the most expensive item in the item shop? I'm gonna say speed coil. Yeah! Finally got 10 coins. Wait, can I like buy something here. Let's see. Gear. Speed coil. Oh, I got it. Oh, yeah. What? No speed coil. Yay, this makes me faster. It's funny that. Ah! Goodbye, goodbye. I'm not doing this. Wait, defend from noobs? Oh, I thought we were attacking. Oh my gosh. Evil noobs with swords. I'll cover this side, I guess. Fear me because I have speed curl. And a sword. Okay, you know what? I'm killing some newbies. It's a big one. Die. No, die. I'm a good defender. Oh, I got this one. It's a ninja noob. Ow. Ow. It hit me. Guys, we can do this. We can defend this. Oh, wait, we have to defend this. This statue that is pretty important. It's a noob pressing a button. Or at least I think it's a noob. Defend this. No. Guys, what are you doing? Guys, we're gonna die. Guys, no. This is getting destroyed. Kill him. Yes. Oh my gosh, I was more than halfway. Okay, I still have my speed coil, which is pretty nice. You know what? Oh. I'm using my speed coil. I'm cheating, but I do not care. Oh no! Never mind, I was not cheating. Okay, let's do 2 more rounds and then we're done. Okay, everybody lost. Oh, never mind, somebody's going. Can that guy make it? Oh wait, no one crossed the road. Crossing the whole road is hard, man. Are you kidding me? That diamond disappeared right there. Watch out the boulders. Ah! Go through them. I'm alive. Yes. I'm getting that. No! Yes! Did I get the diamond? I don't know. I think I'm... Okay, one more round and that's it. Sure, if it is another one. The building is burning? Ah! Escape. I don't know where to escape. I do not know where to go. What? This is, where'd I go? Oh, I escape! Yeah. You have to escape? No, I think so. Oh my gosh, look at that over there. Oh! Burger HQ? Oh my gosh. Guys, dodge! Careful! Everything is falling! Glass. Okay. You won, let's go. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't make sure to subscribe and smash the like button. And I'll see you next time.